Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about maximizing productivity in this work from home setup, Part 2. Last week, we talked about three basic things. First, maintain regular working hours. Second, schedule breaks. And third, designate a workspace. This week is the second part on how to stay productive, organized, and motivated. Here we go. First, create a daily to-do list. At the end of each workday, write down a checklist of all your tasks for the next day, indicating what you need to complete, and if possible, at what hour. The next working day, this will help kickstart your day. It is indeed a very effective way to plan ahead and check accomplished tasks on a daily basis. Second, prioritize tasks efficiently. As soon as you log on to the next working day, use your to-do list. Prioritize tasks that are most urgent from other important ones, one task at a time rather than multitask. This allows you to give your full attention and in turn provides quality work to our clients without missing deadlines. Start your daily to-do list today. Prioritize your task tomorrow morning and experience the positive work difference. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.